So what can we use JavaScript for? I know what you're thinking. 4 videos in and now you're saying what can we use JavaScript for? Yeah, it's okay. So what can we use JavaScript for? So you've already seen JavaScript in Bootstrap, at least nominally there, right? So we have seen where JavaScript can do things like show and hide information when you click on a button. So think about things like your expandable collapsible menus. We can actually take that very same idea. We can take Bootstrap and have it, with the accordion, we can have it show big pieces of content. So, if you think about things like question blocks on web pages, like who's our typical customer? What value can we provide to you? And each of those can just be represented by a question. And then when the user would either hover over or click on one of those questions, the accordion fold can undo, and boom, we would have more content. We could have, little, I'm going to call it piddly stuff because it's just more of those little noodles that we would have on a page. Change a button when you hover over it so you can have the user know that something is being selected. We've already seen it be of use for things like a carousel of images. That's really fantastic too, right? We should actually think about JavaScript as being able to do a whole host more for us. So here in the hours, I guess now, really leading up to Thanksgiving, Black Friday, and Cyber Monday, this is where the economy wants to squeeze from you any last semblance of cash that you have for useless shit. I am a huge, I am criminally implicated in this because I am too dumb not to buy stuff right now. So here at Thanksgiving, we'll call it, we are seeing this huge preponderance of advertisements, right? And we can actually use JavaScript to help make our content more immediately applicable to the experience it is that you want to drive to the user. So what we're going to see here is an advertisement on, I believe this one is bestbuy.com, and you'll see where we can use JavaScript. Here we go. This is what I am looking at on my iPad right now. I'm recording it. You can see there. So this little bit right here, this, I know, exciting, right? I had you come all this way, is what we rely on JavaScript for. So what we are looking at here is this banner advertisement has a JavaScript hook in it. Now, I want, as Best Buy, to be able to advertise my Black Friday is blank days away for a host of days, right? 10 days, 30 days, however many days it happens to be. But every time I want a user to come here and see this page, this answer has to be different. And that's what we're relying on JavaScript to do for us here. This portion of that image is scripted. So what this is doing is we have a local side. So this is the responsibility of your browser. Your browser is tasked with the responsibility of saying, what day is today? Your browser responds, today is Tuesday. That's when I took the video for this, I believe was Tuesday. So then JavaScript goes, okay, great. Friday minus Tuesday is 4 days. 4 days away until Black Friday. That's one of the ways we can rely on JavaScript to provide for us tailored content that aims at our user in a way that says this is and always has been designed specifically for you.